So Bob, these are your typical cutter guides. When operators actually gap them for their blades, a lot of times they gap them too far apart, leave too much of a gap, or they get them too close or they're offset and they break an expensive blade.
Or they get particulate, or burrs,
or the part gets dragged down between them.
And jamming, exactly. And this is why those normal sets of bushings, we at Novatech have felt if we're going to do this, we're going to do it properly. So we're providing one set of precision, pre-gapped, bolted, pinned together bushings, and even include an air feed assembly to prevent the jamming and allow people to cut smaller, more flexible products that they could never do before.